Hello, how's it going? So I've had iOS 14 for a little bit, and then there's a new feature in the iPhone where you double tap the back of the iPhone in iOS 14 that it skips you. It does a lot of notification center, acts as a home button or anything. So there's also, you can always use shortcut, and in shortcuts you can actually double tap and skip the song or go back in the song. So you're allowed to do a double tap and a triple tap. So we can set it up to go forward or backwards with the music. So I'll show you how to use this alongside shortcuts in this video. So we're going to explore and do that. Available in the iOS 14 is actually that double tapping on the back of the phone to skip, or you can set it to any task you wanted to. So this could be actually one of people, actually it's easily becoming one of my favorite features as well. I mean, when I'm listening to the music and my hand in my pocket and in the same pocket as the phone, and then you just easily double tap on the back of the phone, and then skips, and then it just skips the music for you. So I used it and it was pretty cool. So I'll show you how it works. So all you do is you go to settings, and then you go accessibilities, and then after that you go touch, and then you scroll down to the bottom and it says back tap, and then back tap is on. Mine is at the moment is set to the next song. What we're going to do is we're going to set this to home page double tap, control center. All right, yeah, so control center, home center. Okay, so if I so I'll show you how this works. So all you do is you double tap on the back, 1, 2. See, you just went to home, and then you get that. So the tapping at the moment is very hard. You have to really tap. So what I did was I set it. I'll show you guys how to set it to double tap and skip it to the next song. So what you do is you download yourself shortcuts. So shortcuts is an app by Apple, so you just tap on it, and then here you will set your take a photo previous to next song. So the way I created the previous song is you just go add, and then add a section, and then you press music, and then I think it was here, or did I do it manually? No, here, it's here, or it's here. So skip forward, so you just tap on it, tap on skip back, and then it just comes skip back to the beginning on the phone. So we don't want that. Or the easiest way to do it is you just go here and you just search skip, and then skip forward, and then say skip forward on iPhone, and then we'll just say next, and we'll just name it skipping skipping to next song. Okay, you can even edit this. You can make it blue, graphics, block, whatever. You can design it. You can put people, I don't know, we'll put that, and and then we say done. So now that's available here. So when I press on it, it skips to the next song. So we're going to try it out. So we're just going to go back to the settings, and then we go double tap, and then accessibilities, and then shortcuts, and then it should be available here, skipping to next song. Okay, so search for Spotify. We're going to go on Spotify, and then I'm going to play a song on Spotify. This is a song that we said the double tap to skip to the next song. So I'm going to play this song, and then I'll show you how it works. So you play the song and then double tap. So when you set shortcuts, when you double tap on the back of the phone, it gives you a notification as well. That's pretty cool as well. And then it skips to the next song. Alright, so that I'll do an individual video as well, so that's pretty cool as well. Alright, so I've had the opportunity to play around with the tapback that comes with the iOS 14 since the last video I made about the features of iOS 14, which you can watch by clicking the I or the link in the description. So I've had the opportunity to look around and do some research, and I figured that
people have made a lot of shortcuts. With the shortcut app, you can actually do a lot of things, and there's a someone made an app, like there's a website where you can download a lot of things from shortcuts, and you can use for shortcuts to do a lot of things. So the website it's called routinehub.co, which is right here. This is what it's called, routinehub.co. Routinehub.co. If you put it in, and then you can go in. They got trending shortcuts. They got new shortcuts. They've got hundreds and hundreds of shortcuts that you can actually download. So for just for the purpose of this video, we're just going to download one as well. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to download a shortcut for you guys, and we're going to do that when I figure out what we're going to do. So the app here, you can go by categories as well. So browse by apps. So these are the apps that Apple, see music. So these guys are pretty good what they're doing. For each individual app, they've got shortcuts, and this makes it easier for you, like Apple Music, Apple, everything. They got Apple TV remote. There's like even third-party apps, calculators, calendar, like Clash of Clans, like all these apps. It's sort of like those plus apps, like it's sort of similar to that now, what these guys are doing with the shortcuts, and you don't even have to jailbreak your iPhone and stuff. So I am scrolling through this, and I'm seeing a lot actually. And look at this, Netflix. What else is there? Like I think, okay, so the app I'm going to download today is Instagram. We'll just click on the Instagram, and then they have all different mods for it. So media mod, download photos and videos from anywhere, and then you got unlimited download video, audio, images of Instagram obviously, and then Insta download all pictures and videos from Instagram. It's been downloaded 24,000 times. Dark enabler, so it makes it dark. What else do they have? Loader, Insta save, like literally you don't even have to get an app to download all these things. So what we will do is we will actually, this one, ultimate downloader, it's got 30,000, 81,000 download photos and videos from anywhere. That was pretty cool. So maybe we'll just have a look at this one. And then inside this, it actually tells you YouTube, all these places you can actually download anything from. So, and then it'll actually tell you how it works, which is pretty cool as well. This is how it works. So you shortcuts, and then it asks you, like, it's just credit and people who made this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this one, shortcuts, and then obviously the whole story with this is we're getting shortcut, and then once we get the shortcut, then we're gonna enable double tap or triple tap to run this, so it makes like using an iPhone so much easier and more fun. Like I'll show you after this one. I was just playing around with shortcuts, and I created this this to on and off flashlight, which was pretty cool. So now it's done. So media mutt. So if you need any sort of even if you need any shortcuts that you can't think of building, someone's already doing it. So it's called routinehub.co, and I have installed one, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. So I've installed a few, and I made that one, I made this one, I made this one, and I made that one, and I downloaded this battery manager. So we can enable battery manager by double tapping on the back of your phone, or triple tapping, and then it will actually do this. This is what will happen. So if I enable it, it will ask me all this. So this is the menus you'll get, but we want something simple and easy and fun when you use double tap or triple tap. All right, so this is inside my shortcuts, and inside here I've built a flash off and flash on. So my flash on is torch. So let's go inside here and how it works. So this is just fun, and I made this. So all I did was I'll make that one with you guys. So you go plus icon, and then you go add, and then you go search for torch or LED, torch, and then torch comes on. It says torch on, and then tap on the torch on the top, and then say duplicate, and then off, and then you can actually make it how long, like a brightness. So we'll go about 10%, and then you continue, torch again, duplicate, and then turn it on, and then turn it up to like 20%. So I did this similar thing with, and then you can press next. I did a thing until 100%, I think, yeah. And then you can name it and everything as well. So since I've already made it, I'm gonna show you guys. So which was this one? Torch on. So I've already created it here, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. So what you do is you go into the settings, as I showed you before, settings again, and then accessibilities, which is here, and touch, and then back tap. So in the back tap is on, double tap, and then you can find, and then go torch on and off. So if I double tap in the back, so I'm double tapping in the back, and then you get that. So torches are turning on and off. So another thing you can actually do is you can start recording immediately without even having the need to open your camera app. So start record. I made a shortcut just recently. So if you double tap in the back, and then it will start recording immediately without me even having to, open the camera app, press on that button to start it. So you can double tap in the back, bam, see you later, you're done. And then when you're done with this, it will ask you if you want to use the video or not. So I'll just say retake and then finish it. So ultimately, the best features, as you like double tap and triple tap, you want to use this for skip a song or go back a previous song. This is what you want to use it for. But you can also use it for, you can. Well, what I'm going to use it is for flash on, flash off. Flash off, triple tap, and then we're just going to have to create another one just quickly. I'm just going to quickly duplicate this, and then flash off, and then we're going to go inside, and we're going to turn flash on, done. So once flash off, and then flash one, we're going to edit details. And then we're going to edit this out, and we're going to say flash on, done. So we got flash on, flash off. Double tap is flash on. So double tap, flash is on, triple tap, flash is off. As you can see the notification. This you can have a lot of fun with, and this comes with iOS 14.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. And if you're going to use shortcuts or double tap on your phone, it's actually a really nice and tidy feature, because I was using it, I had headphones on, I was just walking, and you were near a bus or something, it's hard to go the earbuds tap and people see. It's so much easier just to double tap on the back of your phone while you're just holding your phone in your pocket. Or if it's winter somewhere, it's cold and your hand and your phone is in the same pocket, you can just easily double tap and it goes to the next one. How easy is that? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you use these features or anything, comment below and let me know how if it worked for you. I'd love to hear your feedback as well on the video. Comment it down below, and I'd love to read and reply to your comments. Until the next video, see you later.